Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I am going to show you how I turned this thrift store find into this. And I want to explain a couple of things before I get into the DIY, where it will just be music and subtitles. So because this piece is obviously much older and in very bad shape, I took some much needed extra steps in order to get this done. And there's also a part in here where I'm showing you a rocking chair, and that's because I wanted to ask you a favor. First of all, thank you for subscribing. This rocking chair is another thing that I found in Goodwill, and I want you to tell me if you know what it is because I like it. I'd love to paint it, both the fabric and the wooden part of it, but you may say, don't touch that. It's old Pennsylvania Dutch. I have no idea what it is. It's really nice to sit in and rock in, even in the driveway. But I was hoping when you see it, you can, in the comments section below, tell me what I have here on my hands. I don't want to ruin it. And I don't even know what to look up. Is it an old rocking chair? Anyway, so I'm just going to get started on the video and I'll show you there are quite a few extra steps to this, and it is because this is an older piece that needed a lot of extra work on it. So here's our DIY for the week. And all of the products, as always, are listed down below in the description, and you can get them all in my Amazon store, okay?